Welcome to AyaansEasyMath. Solve the system of equations for real x and y. 5x into 1 plus 1 by x square y square is equal to 12. 5y into 1 minus 1 by x square y square equal to 4. So those who are new to this channel, like this Olympiad logical and critical problems will be uploaded from this channel. So those who are new, subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest updates. So your subscription is very important. Here this is a new channel. So here you can get the latest updates and you can gain the knowledge. So pause the video for 10 seconds and think about this problem. You have to find the real values of x and y. So here first we are taking given. So what is here? 5x into 1 plus 1 by x square x square plus y square is equal to 12. So here we can write 5x is equal to 12 by 1 plus 1 by x square plus y square whole. Okay. So here if you do squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides, in the same way if you take the second one here, 5y is equal to 5y into 1 minus 1 by x square plus y square is equal to 4. You can write 5y is equal to 4 by 1 minus 1 by x square plus y square whole to the power of 4, whole to the power of 2. So here also you are doing squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides. So why you are doing this squaring on both sides means here you have to solve the equation. So here and adding squaring and adding these two, what will get here? 25x square plus 25y square is equal to 12 square 144 by 1 plus 1 by x square plus y square whole square plus 16 by 4 square 16 by 1 minus 1 by x square plus y square whole square. So here let us take put x square plus y square is equal to 1 by t. If you take x square plus y square is 1 by t, what will happen? So here 25 by t is equal to 144 by 1 plus t whole square plus 16 by 1 minus t whole square. So here you can take LCM. So 25 into 1 minus t square whole square is equal to 144 into 1 minus t square plus 16 into 1 plus t square. So here 25 into 1 minus t square means 1 plus t power 4 minus 2t square is equal to 144 into, here you'll get t also. Here t will get here also will get t t into 1 plus t square minus 2t plus 16t into 1 plus t square plus 2t. So if you open the bracket here, 25 plus 25 t to the power of 4 minus 50 t square is equal to 144 t plus 144 t cube minus 288 t square plus 16t plus 16t cube minus plus 32t square. So here if you solve this, what you'll get 25t to the power of 4 minus 160t cube. So here 160t cube will get minus 206t square. 206t square, here you'll get 206t square. This 3 you have to take minus 160t plus 25 is equal to 0. So here if you divide by t square, so you will get 25t square minus 160t plus 206 minus 160 by t plus 25 by t square is equal to 0. Now it becomes a reciprocal equation. Here you can take 25 common, first term and last term, 1 by t square minus 160 into t plus 1 by t plus 206 equal to 0. So this is a reciprocal equation. So let us take t plus 1 by t equal to k. That implies t square plus 1 by t square is equal to k square minus 2. Now if you substitute that value here, 25 into k square minus 2 minus 160k plus 206 equal to 0. So what will get here? 25k square minus 160k plus 156 is equal to 0. Now you have to find k value. K is equal to 160 plus or minus. We are applying the formula, quadratic formula. 160 square minus 4 into 25 into 156 by 2a. 2a means here 25 into 2 will get 50. So k value is equal to 160 plus or minus 100 by 50. So here k is equal to 60 by 50 60 by 50 or 260 by 50. 60 by 50 or 260 by 50. That implies k is equal to 6 by 5 or 26 by 5. 6 by 5 or 26 by 5. So here k value is t 1 by t. So here so k value 6 by 5 or k value is equal to 26 by 5. So here t plus 1 by t plus 1 by 2 is equal to 6 by 5. So here no real values will get for t. So we are not taking this value. We won't get real values. So here the second case, t plus 1 by t is equal to 26 by 5. 5 plus 1 by 5 will get 26 by 5. So t value 5 or 1 by 5. T value 5 or 1 by 5. So here x square plus y square is equal to 5 or x square plus y square is equal to 1 by 5. So here replace in 1. Replace this value is in 1. 5x into 1 plus 1 by 5 is equal to 12 or 5x into 1 minus 1 by 5 is equal to 4. So here we'll get 5x into 6 by 5 is equal to 12. 6x is equal to 12, x is equal to 2. So here 5x into 4 by 5 is equal to 4. So x is equal to, y here, 5y. So y is equal to 1 will get. So I hope you understood this problem. So thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. Like this, logical, critical and Olympiad problems will be uploaded. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.